guys, welcome back. So before starting the video, সবাইকে জানাই শুভ বিজয়া. So you guys have already got an idea of what this video will be about. In this video, I will be covering up with the road information from Kolkata to Siliguri with the exact time to reach with proper breaks. So let's start. It was 12th October 2021. We exactly started at 12 am at night, and leaving Kolkata during the time of Durga Puja has always been very hard for me. So anyways, via Uttaranga we took the airport and directly headed towards Krishnanagar. We took 3 hours to reach Krishnanagar due to bad roads. And the road after Kamarhati was so bad that I thought I am taking a risk on myself. Added with that, it was a single lane. Anyhow, we reached Krishnanagar and spent a good time over there and got a good break, and again we started. Anyhow, we crossed the road, the bad patch of the ride, and got the Barampur Farakka highway thereafter, from where we started enjoying the ride. We reached Farakka at 6:23 am, and I must say that we were maintaining a good pace.
এই আমরা চলে এসেছি ফারাক্কাতে। এখন ঘড়িতে বাজে 6:23। প্যারালালি যাস না, বুঝতে পারলি? প্যারালালি যাস না আমার সাথে, বাই চান্স এদিক দিয়ে চাপালে আমি যদি এদিকে চলে যাই সেই জন্য।
After crossing Farakka, we took the Malda bypass and reached Pardesi Dhaba at 7:30 am for breakfast. We took a halt of around 1 hour over there after continuous ride. Then again we started for Raiganj and took the Botolbari road, which was again a single lane highway, and crossed Botolbari at 12:21 pm. And we took the Dhantola Islampur highway, and from there Siliguri was a straight highway with very smooth road, and eventually we got the 4-lane highway. So we reached Siliguri at 2 pm. It was quite too early. We had enough time in our hands. So we had two options. Either we could stay over there or we can continue our journey towards the mountain. So we decided that we will be continuing towards the mountain as we were not that much tired. So we decided that we will be heading towards Kalimpong. As from Siliguri to Kalimpong, the distance was around 50 to 60 kilometers, and we could easily reach over there before sunset.
ফাইনালি 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 কেমন লাগছে শোনো? একটু সাবধানে চালাবি, হ্যাঁ? পুরো কাশফুল ফুটে আছে। এ দাঁড়া দাঁড়া দাঁড়া,
The first glimpse of the mountain from the Shivak road has driven us crazy. But we didn't knew that the bad roads were waiting for us. So keep watching. This was for the first time I got my Himalayan in the Himalayas. So I was pretty excited about it. The turn and curls of the mountain roads along with the calm weather was driving me crazy. Though it was my second visit to the mountains on bike, but still it was like a fresh start. It was one of a kind of experience that can be felt only when it's done. Now we are about to reach Coronation Bridge. Now it's something very unexpected. We have been stuck in the jam for past 1 hour and have been seeking for gaps so that the bikes can pass through. Now only one thing is coming in my mind. পৌঁছাবো কখন? It's already 4:30 and still Tista Bridge is quite a long way to go. Let's see কতক্ষণ লাগে. One thing I should appreciate about Himalayan is that even in these bad roads, it's giving quite a good comfort to me. Maybe due to its sitting posture, I don't have to give so much of efforts on this road. And yeah, if you guys haven't followed me up on Instagram, please go and follow me up on Instagram because I remain quite active over there. My Instagram ID is just like my channel name. It's Travel Like Kangals. I hope you will like it. So finally we crossed Tista Bridge and we didn't got the scope to stand over there because it was totally congested with cars and we couldn't got a scope to stand over there and take some pictures. But anyhow, now we can see a hope of light that Kalimpong is not so far. So we will be reaching Kalimpong before sunset. I hope so. Let's see.